Hello, I'm in a 2012 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to open your hood. So first we'll go the inside here. You see this little lever, so we'll pull that. That pop, if you could hear it, was the safety releasing in the hood. If needed, there should be a cable here attached to this lever. If this is not attached or not tight at all, you'll need to address that. I'll go to the front. Most vehicles, there's a lever towards the middle. This one's here, so we'll push and lift. Push and lift. That's it. That's where it was hooked onto here. And then this is what that looks like. Make sure everything's tightened up. There's no debris stuck in here that needs cleaned. If this is really sticking, maybe some WD-40 will loosen it. And then the same thing, make sure nothing's bent out of place anywhere. Make sure your hood's properly aligned so it'll close straight. That's it. Hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.